Go Math, Chapter 5, Lesson 2. Have fun with math. Hello, kindergartners. We are on Chapter 5, Lesson 2. So I have a number line. I would suggest you ask someone in your house, mom, dad, brother, sister, someone who knows their numbers. If you're not sure of your numbers yet, have them make a number line for you. They can write it here. They can write it on a separate piece of paper, just so you have your numbers. All right, let's go ahead and start. We're going to do adding today. So first we're going to look at our our first number at the very beginning. What number is that? If you're not sure, it's right here on your number line. So then you just count up to find that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's a 6. Now, what does this 6, why is that 6 there? Yes, because there are 6 yellow counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a 6 because there are 6 yellow counters. Start at the blue dot, down and a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. Plus, we're just adding them together. Plus, we're going to circle the plus sign. Why is there a 1 here? Yes, because there's one red one. Exactly. So we have 6 yellow plus 1 red equals, go ahead and make your equal sign. It's just 2 straight lines. Equals how many in all? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's find it on our number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Straight across and down from heaven. That makes the number 7. All right, let's read our equation. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So there's 7 altogether. 6 plus 1 is the same as 7. All right, next page. Here's our first number. What number is that? If you're unsure, count on your number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it's a 7. Okay, straight across and down from heaven. That makes the number 7. Here's my question. Why did we write a 7? Why? Yes, because there are 7 red counters. Let's count them to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 red counters. Plus, that means I'm going to add some yellow counters. How many yellow counters do you think we should add? That's right, it's telling us. What number is that? 2. Around and back on a railroad track. 2, 2. All right, let's put those 2 yellow counters on. 1, 2. So how many in all? That means 7 plus 2 equals, or is the same as what? Well, let's count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it's 9. So how do I write a 9? Well, let's find 9 on the number chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There it is. 9 is on our number chart. First a loop and then a line. That makes the number 9. Yay! Let's go ahead and go to this page. All right. 2 red ones. So let's write our 2. Around and back on a railroad track. 2, 2, 1, 2. So I have 2 red counters. Plus, let's circle that word plus so we learn it plus. How many yellow ones do we need to add? What number is that? Let's look up here and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Make an S and do not wait. Climb back up to number 8. Let's put our 8 yellow ones on. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so we have 2 red plus 8 yellow equals, or it's the same as, how many all together? Here is my 10 frame. And we don't even have to count because my 10 frame is all filled up. So how many is that? Yeah, that's 10. It's all filled up. First a 1 and then a 0. Number 10, he is our hero. 2 plus 8 equals 10. Or we could say 2 plus 8 is the same as 10. Yes, very good. Push those off. Go to our next page. Here we have our little mouse. The problem reads, 4 red apples and 2 green apples are on the table. Write the numbers and trace the symbols to show the apples being put together. All right, so let's get out our a red crayon and a green crayon because it reads red and yellow. So I have my crayons, green crayon, and a red crayon. So now we have the crayons. So now we can do our problem. 4 red apples. So I'm just going to draw not too big because we have to have room. So right above where we're going to write the number, where it reads 4 red apples. First, let's write the 4. Down and across and down some more. That makes the number 4. And then we're going to make 4 circles for our apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. You notice I'm not being elaborate. That means I'm not making lots of details because this is our math. We just need to make a model. It doesn't have to be a big model. It doesn't have to be a fancy model. We just need to make a model to help us learn. So here are 4 red apples, and then I'm going to color them red. I just color them right in. So now we have 4 red apples and 2 green apples. So what number should I write there? Yes, we're going to write a 2. 2 green apples. So now I'm going to make 1, 2 apples and color them green. 1 green apple, 2 green apples. Remember, you can pause the video as you make your apples. When you're done, unpause and we can finish together. So we have 4 red apples plus 2 green apples equals how many apples altogether? Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you forgot what a 6 looks like, look at your number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down and a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. So 4 plus 2 is the same as 6. There's 6 apples in all, 6 apples all together. All right. We always take care of our supplies. So now that we're done, we put them back in the box and we put them back in our supply caddy. So we keep things organized. There's a place for everything and everything has its place. Keep our work organized. Okay, over here, Roy has 3 yellow counters. That's why there's a Y on them, because yellow, yellow, yeah, begins with a Y. So we're going to put our 3 yellow counters. If you don't have your counters, you can just color them yellow. 3. So let's write a 3 here. Around a tree and around a tree. That makes the number 3. And, oh, look, this time they use the word and instead of plus, but it means the same thing. 3 plus, how many red ones? What number is that? 5. Okay, let's count 5 reds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 reds. Across, down, and around. That's 5 that I found. So we have 3 yellow and 5 reds equals, so how many in all? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you forgot what an 8 looks like, let's find it up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There it is. Oops. Make an S and do not wait. Climb back up to number 8. And there we have it. 3 plus 5 is 8. Push those off. All right, my friends, my kindergarten friends, our last page. I would like you to try to do this page by yourself, though I'm going to read the directions to you. Write the numbers to show the sets that are put together. So, how many gray ones plus how many white ones? That's what they're asking for. Here, you're going to fill in the missing numbers. You can either count to fill it in, or you can count up here and write how many. All right? On the bottom, it reads, Paul has a number of counters 2 less than 7. Draw the counters in the 10 frame. This one you might need your number rack for, your abacus. And we'll make it a little easier. And I'll do it for you. I'll do it with you, but I'm not going to tell you the answer. I want you to figure it out. So it says, Paul has a number of counters 2 less than 7. So first we count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what is 2 less than 7? So if I took 2 away, how many are left? And there's your answer. So you can write that many counters and write the number, okay? All right, kindergartners, have fun with math.